She can't handle that, Miracle. Remember, her hand is not.
No. Pick the red one.
This one.
Put the red one too, Daddy. Put the red one too. Yay!
Yay!
Give up, man.
You did it, Joy.
Come here with that, yeah. Put it in the crate.
Let's play the red one. That one. What? There's a trophy one right there. Two big one. Yeah. There's two big one right there. Yeah, I don't know.
You're not.
Look, one there.
What is this?
You're not repeating. Let me see. Show it to the camera. Beautiful.
This is here before you leave. Two big juicy ones right there.
These yellow, the yellow and red, pretty.
Yeah.
Pretty.
Yeah. Yeah, put that one.
This
Put
one
that
you
one.
want to
Cut that one. Put it. Put it back down. One. I just cut the big one, man.
Okay.
Okay?
Cut the red one too.
I don't think you want the red ones to be cut, honey.
Don't put the red one in it. Don't put the red one in a different frame.
Okay.
Put the green one in, alright?
Okay. Oh, it's a big one.
Wait, let me get a.
So here's the thing. We just do it like that, you see. Nice. There's one right there. So
I'm gonna put them on the ground.
try to keep them out of the sun.
Here, Joy, you can put them down. When you're tired, let us know. Okay?
Now look at the sweet peppers.
Yes, let's see what you have harvested so far. Okay, nice work. And I'm already feeling the pressure of the sun on me. Okay.
Nothing towards me.
All right, so go ahead.
So there's some right here. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one. Mama, do cut a piece, Miracle.
He wants to try and cut one. Let him cut one of these.
Here. Cut that big one. Yeah, do I put this in this thing?
You can put them along. Put them along to out there.
Be gentle with them, they might get squeezed. So look for the stem.
C'est la pique comment faire.
Seriously? Caught on camera. The first person to to be eating off the cucumber. Oh, you're playing cucumber? Pretty red. And then where's the yellow one?
Oh no! Yellow one's out here, some mommy.
No man, I saw a pretty yellow one down there. So
Here. You gotta be careful. Let me hold it. Daddy, I'll put food at the same time. Come down.
where's that yellow one? Oh, this is one I was looking at. Oh, this is the one I was looking at.
Wait.
You hear the bird?
Yeah. Nice chirping.
Yes.
Ooh, that one for me.
They call him Sweet John. Sweet John? Sweet John Chewy?
Sweet John, sweet pepper.
No, the bird. Because of the sound of the chirping. Sweet John. Sweet John Chewy?
This one is for me. Yeah, it's green.
You hear that chirping, Miracle?
That sounds nice.
They call him Sweet John Chewy.
That one too small. Bring over here, so come on.
Bring the crate, Miracle. Some are over here.
Over the hill we go. Joy.
See some here to put in the crate.
Whoa, someone is a trap.
This is a trap. Daddy put them there. Just take this one now. Daddy, just take them off the ground, Joy, and put them in the
I'm leaving that for Joy. Let me see if I can chomp, 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 chomp. Some more.
Don't play with that thing, Miracle.
This is red.
Yes. Some of them are in the What about those on the other side? Huh? So you can go on that side, Miracle.
Yes, Nita, mom, too. So come up here, son. Come.
Marie's tired.
Are you tired?
We want something else to cut the sweet pepper.
That's why you put
Some
them
more
in, cut them.
to cut them. You want something to cut them? You have another cutter?
Come use the knife. Let me show you if you use the knife. Come.
No.
Come and show you.
No.
What's your problem? Your problem?
Wow.
Come. One knife. No, no. Wait, what is it? If you have, take time. Take time. Maybe we'll come over there, son, and just finish over here first.
I thought you were finished.
No,
Which
man,
side?
we have this straight, we go down there.
Oh,
So what's sweet pepper melon up on here, son?
I wasn't thinking of that part there. So, Joy, come and take up these.
Come on, come on there, Nathan.
Joy, big one I take for you, Joy. Coming. Daddy, I found a big tree with them. Daddy,
Nathan, you getting through with that?
big one with that big one. Where's the other one?
Yeah, too big here, eh? No, borrow the family, you know, eh?
Okay. Hi guys, hi.
Just step back.
Okay.
Don't step on the pants.
Hi. Hey, you just couldn't know who's holding the camera right there. It's my mom right there holding the camera. As you can see, you know, how it's sweet peppers. You must have seen the beach part. That's when it was my birthday, Tuesday.
No, I had to. They never get to see it.
Okay, just what I was saying peppers now when I was at the beach or at the farm. Now, these are my two sisters, Michael and Jay, but Jay has a broken arm and she just fell from it down, just broke her arm. Bob broke her arm. So
Her collarbone is
her
called the
collarbone. Her collarbone. Right, this is collarbone right here. What I'm touching.
This part right here.
That's what I'm feeling. So that's all. I'm just telling him about what's the thing, but I get back to work now. The clipper.
Joy has it.
Dad, the clipper, please. Thank you. Borrow this?
See some more, sir?
Daddy.
Come put them in the crib.
Woo!
Put them up.
Normally, you should hold them and cut them now, but if they start, just cut them straight away.
Okay. Wow, some of these are big.
Like, look, the one right here. So
This one is big, and this is another big one.
this one.
You want them teeth for the... You see them size there?
Bigger than this?
Yeah, I mean, bigger than that. You want the... Two of them that they weigh 1 pound.
Alright, so where are we going to go next?
Long again.
Alright, Joy, you want to take a break out of the sun now?
No,
Okay.
I want to cut more.
You want to cut more? When Nathan is finished, you can get your turn. Because some are over there. So
More with my hands.
you have to ask Daddy to show you how to do it. See some there on the ground. Nathan, this one fell. There's one on the ground, Joy. Go and take it out. Or Nathan is
No, man,
taking
you mean
it.
this a farmer? It's Mary Promoter is a farmer, boy. It's Mary Promoter is a farmer.
You say you don't read so much out of.
No?
You
I must say last time as we start every man, they mash up with the cow. Them, you know.
Nathan, there's one on
And
the
then
ground
they
still.
start feed
See, it's
over,
right there
feed over.
at your left foot.
The rest
Look
of
where
the
your
good people
toes
don't
are.
rest, so. Sun start standing some of them with you. It's not over here, no man.
What about these, honey?
No. They're not ready yet, mommy. They're not ready yet.
No, man, these aren't ready, honey.
Hmm?
These aren't ready.
Yeah, man, I want to watch your camp.
This is what I mean.
Pull up here, that's up in here. Take time, up in here. Take time. Yeah, just like that.
Hey.
This one from me. I'll leave again this for you.
Joy wants to get a chance with the cutter, Nathan.
Still off of that.
Pick up Stella off the crate.
Look at this big, juicy what?
Look at that big one behind you. Turn around. You see it?
Be careful, they cook them.
You go for that way, Nathan? I can't want to come. Come up on.
What's that?
Can I square come?
I go. Take up those ones, just take them up.
Joy!
Joy, look at these big ones. You want to come for these ones?
Come, Nathan. Come on, Nathan.
Daddy! Here. Joy, here.
Show her some big ones to cut, Miracle. She wants to cut.
Big ones. Alright, I'm sure the biggest one I can't see right here, so.
Alright, so show her which ones to cut, and then Miracle, while you're showing her which ones to cut, you get those off the ground.
Okay. Joy, cut this one up here, so. This big one right here, so. This big one right here, so.
That's big? Ask Daddy.
Come on,
This one. And this one up here, so. This one right here, so.
Alright, so in the meantime, you come for these. Where are they?
All of them off this one. But, yeah, just put all of them off that one.
Take up those
some of them full, but they're not big enough. Ay, take time, baby, take time. I must say, your next time can balance good in the morning.
What?
I don't even know what that bird looks like, you know. This sweet John.
John Chewy.
I have never seen. Well, even if I've seen it, I wouldn't know it's in.
Daddy, wait. He's gone. Where's the man? Thank you, mommy. Thanks for showing me where they are.
I don't know. You have to ask if they're ready.
They're ready.
Because Joy, oh no, leave one for Joy to cut.
Okay.
Leave one more for Joy to cut.
Is your leaf on up, baby? I eat the pan and make it look so. What's on the left? So much about the feeding.
Come on and leave them there ready, honey. Joy, getting through?
Daddy, here's the knife. You want this knife? Daddy, give me that.
Let me have the knife, please. There's one that looks like it's turning red up there, so.
Wait.
Behind you, just turn around and you go. Keep going, go straight. You see them? Go across there, sir. See them right there, sir. See the plants right there, sir, Nathan. So ask Daddy, I don't know. What do you think about those, honey?
I'm changing color that mean for there. I want your sunburn already.
Yeah, I realize.
You don't even know your hand? Yeah.
Joy getting through?
He's alright.
Lift it up, pull it up. Daddy show you to do it.
Hey.
Alright.
We're working, man.
You're working. You enjoy working, Simeon. Keep that knife down.
Where's... Oh, one right there.
Over here. Come over here, guys. Miracle and Joy, come over here. Joy, here's one. I think you're gonna go for the red ones now. Come, Joy, see one here. Ooh, nice and big. Yay. Ooh, you got a big one, girl.
What? No, sir.
Yeah, man, you have some big ones to pick over here, so like we didn't pay attention to this side. See some here, go here. That one and this down here, so.
No, no, that one right. This is a full. We'll put that one different, right?
Okay. Well, no, but that was this one, babe. Oh, this one that day. No.
This almost looks like tomato. Look there. You see that? That almost looks like tomato down there. Almost looks like tomato. Time for the red ones. Oh, you guys are finishing up with the green ones?
That was supposed to pick the red one.
Put them in the bucket after that.
Yeah.
Wow, that one is big. Nathan, hold this knife down like this. Are we separating the red from the yellow? Same. Okay. Okay, I found the red one. Da-da-da-da. Pretty, pretty, pretty.